Good morning everyone. Welcome to GANESH coaching of education. Previous class we study about the straight lines, and today class we will start some part of straight line and pair of straight line. Okay. As per on the view of competitive exams, I will only tell you about the tricks and I'll solve only the problems. Based on the tricks, I'll solve the problems. How the questions came, based on that, I'll give the tricks and solve the problem. Okay. Starting with in straight line, there is one concept is given. Like this is a straight line. This some straight line like ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, and some point is x1 y1 is given, right? And they told that find the distance from the point xy to this line. Okay, this is the perpendicular distance. Of course, when one line is there, this is the shortest distance. Distance may be this, but this is the shortest distance. We'll find the shortest distance between the point x1 y1 on the line of ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. This type of I saw means 7 to 8 questions in a single set on this type of questions based on this concept. Okay, and what is the formula? Is that formula is d is equal to plus minus ax1 plus by1 plus c divided by a square plus b square root over. Okay, this is the formula on this concept. Okay, and d is this. This I'll now, based on this concept, I'll solve 2-3 problems. Okay. Find the perpendicular distance. Question is that find the polar distance from the origin to the line 3x 4y plus 1 is equal to 0. Okay, and what is the question? Find the perpendicular distance. Find the perpendicular distance from the origin point generally denotes as 0 0, and to the line 3x plus 4y plus 1 is equal to 0. Right, this is a question based on the formula d is equal to ax1 and by1 c divided by a square plus b square root over. This is the formula d, and generally distance is a magnitude. Okay, generally distance is mod of this. Okay, mainly the mod of this. Okay, what is the a 3 and what is x1 y1, that is 0 0. This is from the origin. Okay, then 0 plus what is b 4 into 0, what is c 1 all divided by a square plus b square 3 square plus 4 square root over. What will be the answer? 1. What is the difference? 9 plus 16 root, that is 1 divided by 5. Right, this is in magnitude. So distance from the origin to the line, perpendicular distance is 1 by 5. Okay, and I am solving another problems based on this. I think in this book this question is not there. Okay, let's move to another concept of the same origin. Sorry, same straight line. Distance between two parallel lines. Okay, concept is distance between two parallel lines. Okay, let one parallel line AX plus BY plus C1 is equal to 0. Okay, another parallel line AX plus BY C2 is equal to 0. Okay, the two parallel lines, like one parallel line like this, another parallel line this. The shortest distance is this, the perpendicular distance between the two parallel lines. This is the shortest distance between two parallel lines. The distance D is equal to C1 minus C2 whole divided by A square plus B square root over. This is the distance formula, and this is denoted as C1 minus T is to the differential constant divided by A1 square A square plus B square. I am giving some problems based on that. I will solve some problems based on that. In BD exam, this type of question is coming, like 3 to 4 questions coming. Distance between two parallel lines and distance between line and a point. Okay, which is perpendicular distance. And the question is the distance between two parallel lines. One line is 4x plus 3y minus 11 is 0. Another line is 8x plus 6y minus 15 is equal to 0. This is the means two lines, line 1 and line 2. Okay, what to know in the above, what I told you, AX plus BY plus C1 is equal to 0. AX plus BY plus C2 is equal to 0, right? Constant this is remain constant, means coefficient of x and coefficient of both the parallel line equations will remain constant. Okay, how can do we remain same? Sorry, now how can we do that? This is 4, this is 8, and this is 3, this is 6. So divide by, when you divide by 2, the equation 2, then you can get the coefficients of x and y on both the two weak parallel lines will remain same. Okay, then 4x plus 3y minus 11 is 0. This will means we don't have to change anything. Here we have to divide 2, that will become 4x plus 3y minus 15 by 2 is equal to 0, right? Then this is line 1 and line 2. Okay, then we have to apply only the formula. What is the formula? C1 minus C2 C1 minus C2 divided by S square plus B square root over, that is equal to D. Then what is C? C1 minus 11 minus of minus 15 by 2 mod whole divided, what is A? 4 square plus 3 square root over. Okay, that will come minus 11 plus 15 by 2 mod divided by 16 plus 9 root over. Okay, and that will come minus 22 plus 15 by 2, that will come 5. 25, that will come 5, that will come minus 7 divided by 10 mod, that will come 7 by 10. Okay, this is one type. Another type is there. Two types of questions coming in distance between two parallel lines. One type is there when coefficients are not same but they are proportional, we have to convert the coefficients to same. Another type is there, like one is 3x plus 4y minus 11 is equal to 0. Another is 3x plus 4y minus 25 is equal to 0. In another type, the coefficients are same. Coefficient of x and coefficient of y are same, but coefficient of C1 and C2 are different. Not coefficient, the constant and difference. But in this is one type, and another type is coefficient are not same, but they are proportional. Look at that, like this is 9x plus 12y minus 25 is equal to 0. That the coefficient are proportional. Okay, we have to convert to same. Okay, after that we can apply the formula. Okay. Another concept is the angular bisector. Okay, like line 1 line is L1, another line is L2. L1 is A1x plus B1y plus C1 is equal to 0, another is A2x plus B2y plus C2. Okay, two lines are there. Like one line is L1, sorry, one is just reverse the equations. One is L1 and another is L2. Okay, this is the angular bisector between two lines. Okay, this line is like AB. This is the angular bisector between two lines. What is the meaning of angular bisector? Like the point PXY, when you take a point PXY, the perpendicular distance to the line L1 and the perpendicular distance to the line L2 both are remain same. That means that this distance D, like D1, like this distance D2, what is D1? D1 is the perpendicular distance from the point PXY to line L1, and D2 is perpendicular distance from PXY line to L2, right? In case of angular bisector, D1 equal to D2. This is the condition. Okay, in case of angular bisector, and I'll tell you the formula. How can you find that? The formula is A1x plus B1y plus C1 whole divided by A1 square plus B1 square, that is equal to A2x plus B2y plus C2, A2 square plus B2 square root over plus minus. Okay, when you solve this equation, then we will find the angular bisector between two lines. Okay. I am solving some problem based on that. This problem is somewhat lengthy. And another is thing there, A1x plus B1y plus C1 whole divided by root over A1 square plus B1 square is equal to positive of A2x plus B2y plus C2 divided by root over of A2 square plus B2. When this positive sign comes, this line pass through the origin point 0 and 0, right? Okay, I'm finding some questions. Let me find that question. Okay, question is there. Let's solve the questions of angular bisector. Question is that find the equation of bisector. Okay. Okay, and the equation is 12x minus 5y plus 4 is equal to 0. Another is 3x plus 4y plus 7 is equal to 0. Okay, I am giving some concept on the basis of on this problem. Okay, when I solving the problem, I will tell you some concepts based on that. Okay, so that you will easily can understand that. And what is the angular bisector? Minus 12x minus 5y plus 4 whole divided by minus 12 square minus 5 square root over, that is equal to plus minus 3x plus 4y plus 7 divided 3 square plus 4 square root over, right? And that is equal to that minus 12x 5y plus 4, now 144 plus 5, how much will come? This come 13, that is equal to plus or minus 3x plus 4y plus 7 divided by 5. When you solve that, this will come, there are two equations come. One equation will come because there is a plus and minus, so two equations come. One equation is 99x plus 77y plus 71 is equal to 0, equation 1. Another equation will come 7x minus 9y minus 37 equal to 0, equation 2. Okay, it means that like this is line, this is line 1, this is line 2. Let this line 1 is minus 12x minus 5y plus 4 is equal to 0. Another line is 3x plus 4y plus 7 is equal to 0. And this is the angular bisector. Maybe this is, let's take this is 7x minus 9y minus 37 is equal to 0, right? Then there must be an angle between them. Okay, between the one line and angle of bisector, there must be an angle between them. Let's take the find the angle between them. What is the line? One line is 3x plus 4y plus 7 is equal to 0. Another line is the bisector is one of the bisector is that is equal to 0. And let the slope m1 and this is m2. What is the value of m1? Minus 3 by 4. What is the value of m2? Minus a by b. So minus 7 divided by minus 9, that will come 7 by 9, right? Then tan theta, I told you m1 minus m2 all divided by of 1 plus m1 m2. What is m1? Minus 3 by 4 minus of 7 by 9 divided by 1 plus minus 3 by 4 into 7 by 9, right? After solving this will come minus 55 by 15. Okay, mod, that is equal to 55 by 15, which is greater than equal to 1. Okay, which is greater than the tan theta is greater than 1 when tan is greater than 1, when theta is greater than 45. Okay, tan theta is greater than 1, that means that theta is greater than 45. Then this is called the bisector cuts the line at a obtuse angle. When theta is less than 45, then the bisector cuts the line at an acute angle. Okay, there is two terms is there. When theta is greater than 45, the bisector cut an obtuse angle. That means that tan theta is greater than 1. And another thing is there, when theta is less than 45, then tan theta is less than 1, this acute angle. The bisector cut the line an acute angle. The question may arise, if this is the this is the bisector of one line and with bisector line, and this is the line, what is the will it cut the line with the acute or obtuse angle? That you can find from the, just find the line and the bisector and find the slope. After that, find tan theta. If tan theta is greater than 1, this is obtuse angle. If tan theta is less than 1, this is acute angle. Okay. The question is somewhat lengthy. I found very less question, 1, 2 questions in 2 sets in this type of questions, because in competitive the time is less, so they also set question based on that. Okay, another concept is there. Find the line. Okay, find the line. Not find the line, any line. Sorry, just remove this. Any line. Through the intersection of two lines, like some line is a1x plus b1y plus c1 is 0, another line is a2x plus b2y plus c2 is 0. Like one line is here, a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0, another line is here, a2x plus b2y is c2 is equal to 0. And they told that find the line passing through this. Okay, any line through the intersection of two lines. This is the intersection of two lines, and any line through the point this. What is the equation of the line? Just simply a1x plus b1y plus c1 plus k into a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. This is the equation of the line which is passing through the point of intersection of the two lines. Okay, and I am solving k is some constant, and I am solving some questions based on that, based on this concept. The question is find the equation of the line joining through the origin of two lines. Like one line is 4x plus 3y is equal to 8, another line is x plus y is equal to 1. Find the equation of the line joining through the origin. This is two lines and this is the intersection, and another point is there, this is in origin. Okay, this line also pass through the origin. That means that when you put 0 0 in this equation, you can find the value of k. Okay, like question is let's start when 4y minus 8 plus k into x plus y minus 1 is equal to 0. As the line also passes through the origin, that means that when you put 0, x term is 0, y term is 0 in this equation, we can find the value of x, right? Then what will come? This is 0, this is minus 8 plus minus k is equal to 0, so k is equal to minus 8. When you put this in this equation, then you can find the line of this equation. Okay, just put the value of k, you can find the line of this equation. Okay, thank you. This is the complete of